up, everyone? Jason at Canyon Adventure Vans, and today marks another great day for 2023 to introduce a new product, and that is our new garage slide-out deck. That's right, garage slide-out deck. This thing is absolutely amazing. We've been working on it for over 6 months, prototype after prototype, and we got it down. It's refined, and it is absolutely beautiful. Not only does it hold all your gear, but it also turns into a deck where you can hang out here, put your GLSS out. We have a new seat called the sunset seating system where you can sit back, recline, take in the beautiful sunset or the sunrise, and it absolutely turns your van into a larger space. Some highlights about this. We use Accuride 600-pound slides. We wanted it to be heavy so you could sit out here on your GLSS. That was the main thing, is we wanted it to not only hold your cargo, but we wanted it to be able to have a place to be able to hang out as well. We got all the LTrack cut out, so we lasered all that out. It's 12 gauge carbon steel. What's so nice about that is when you are tying down your cargo, all you do is take your little O-rings and you could drop that in and strap things down so all your gear isn't flying around. And that was one of the reasons that we made the GLSS, is because we hated all the gear flying around. So now you have an opportunity to put boxes on here, chairs, barbecues, whatever it is, bicycles, mountain bikes, all that good stuff you can put on this cargo tray. I've hauled propane tanks, wood on here, and it's been amazing. I live in Topanga Canyon where it's super windy roads. Everything stays put. It's really nice. So that's the feature. 12 gauge, powder coated, LTrack everywhere, 600-pound Accuride slides. Those are the best in the business. Super easy install. And then the other thing, check this out. So one of the other things that we decided to do is have a cutout at the entryway in the hallway on your Revel or your Storyteller or your Jayco or your Entegra, where you can just walk straight through and it doesn't feel like you're stepping over into a box. So it just flows really nice. When you pull this out, underneath, if you see all these bolts here, we put 5 U-channel braces underneath to give it extra support and stability. We don't want this thing bowing on you, so this is part of the prototypes and the R&D that we put into it. And this thing is super solid. Like, we're able to hang out here, sit on our bench seats, and really take it in. Last weekend I was in Santa Monica. Came down for the sunset, sat on the bench seat, reclined, brought my laptop out, watched the playoff football games. It was absolutely gorgeous, hearing the waves, and it really is a nice feature. Okay, one of the other features as well is we put these little tabs on here on the ends to protect the locking sliders. So we are worried, and part of our R&D testing in our own vans is just being out in the wild, door, the wind hits the door, you don't have your door stoppers in, it comes and it bends this stuff. You can bend them back, so it's not the end of the world, but we were thoughtful enough to make these little stoppers on each end to protect the locking slide outs. So just all the little details of us having these vans, using these vans, and understanding what's important and how to make our gear last for the life of this van. So these are just little details, little tabs to protect the locking slides. To install it, super easy. So in the Revel, you have your 6 O-rings. We're using 4 of them in this setup. So this is what's on your Revel. You're going to pop these out, and then you're going to take these LTrack studs that we provide you, along with the washers, 12 gauge powder coated washers as well. You drop those into place, and then this just sits right on top. You line it up and you tighten it down, and literally once these are in, it's less than a 5-minute install. So super easy. And what else can I tell you? That's about it. So super easy. Now, one other option that you're going to have, move these out of the way, is you have an option to put the Inhabit mat in here. So now you can match the rest of your Inhabit flooring system throughout your whole van. So look how clean that is. So now you have a place, again, to hang out. It makes the space a lot bigger. We have awnings that are going to be available. You can bring an awning out, so now you have shade. We're also making a tent back here. You can have a tent, not worry about bugs getting in your van. So it just brings out a lot of options, not just for cargo, but also for a place to hang out, cook, whatever. You can add things to it, modular systems to customize it, to see how you use your van. So this is it. This is the new garage slide out deck. It's pretty incredible. We're really stoked on it. It looks beautiful, fits beautiful right in your Revel, Storyteller, Jayco, or Entegra. So take a look. It's on our website, and we'll have some install videos as well to help you install it.